Welcome to Prime Fit Flow. Today we have something very special for you, and it's all about keeping your body strong, flexible, and pain-free after 50. Did you know that a few simple daily exercises can help reduce joint stiffness, improve your balance, and even boost your energy levels? It's true. And the best part is that you don't need any special equipment or hours at the gym to get started. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Before we dive in, remember to take it slow and listen to your body. If any movement feels uncomfortable or painful, stop and adjust. These exercises and tips are designed to be gentle, yet effective, for anyone over 50. And stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete routine that can help improve your joint flexibility, reduce pain, and leave you feeling more energized than ever. Let's start with something simple. Morning stretches. You might think stretching is just for young people, but the truth is, gentle stretches can keep your muscles long, your joints mobile, and prevent aches later in the day. Begin with a simple shoulder roll. Sit or stand comfortably. Relax your shoulders and slowly roll them forward 10 times, then backward 10 times. You'll feel tension melt away almost immediately. This tiny movement alone can improve circulation and ease stiffness that builds up overnight. Next, let's focus on the neck. Many people over 50 notice stiffness in the neck and upper back. Sit tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder. Hold for a few seconds, then gently tilt toward your left. Repeat this 5 times on each side. Not only does this reduce tension, but it can also relieve headaches and improve posture over time. If you try this, let us know in the comments how it feels after a few days. Now let's move to something slightly more active, gentle joint mobility exercises. These help maintain the range of motion in your knees, hips, and ankles. Sit on a sturdy chair, lift one leg, and make slow circles with your ankle. 10 circles in each direction, then switch legs. You can even do small seated marches, lifting one knee at a time to wake up your hips and lower back. These small movements improve blood flow and keep your joints nourished. You'll notice your body feels lighter and more agile after just a few minutes. One of the biggest concerns for people over 50 is joint pain, especially in the knees and hips. While movement is key, supporting your joints through diet can be just as important. Foods rich in omega-3 south, like salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed, help reduce inflammation naturally. Collagen-rich foods, such as bone broth or gelatin, can support cartilage health. And don't forget about hydration. Drinking enough water keeps your joints lubricated and your muscles functioning properly. A simple tip is to have a glass of water first thing in the morning and keep a bottle nearby throughout the day. Let's switch gears and talk about gentle strengthening exercises. Strong muscles take pressure off your joints and help you stay active longer. You don't need heavy weights for this. Wall push-ups are perfect. Stand facing a wall, place your hands at shoulder height, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall, then push back. Do this 10 times. It strengthens your arms, chest, and shoulders without putting strain on your joints. You can gradually increase repetitions as you feel stronger. Squats can also be done safely at any age if done correctly. Stand behind a chair and hold onto the back for support. Slowly bend your knees as if you are going to sit, keeping your back straight and knees behind your toes, then rise back up. This strengthens your thighs, glutes, and supports your hips and knees. Start with 5 to 10 repetitions and increase over time. Remember, slow and steady is better than rushing. And risking injury, let's not forget balance exercises. Falls become more common as we age, and simple exercises can make a huge difference. Try standing on one leg while holding a chair for support. Hold for 10 seconds on each side. As you progress, you can reduce support gradually. This improves stability, coordination, and confidence in everyday movements. Even a few minutes of practice each day can greatly reduce your risk of falls. Now, let's talk about energy levels. Many people over 50 struggle with fatigue even with adequate sleep. One simple trick is to move your body first thing in the morning, even if it's just gentle stretching or walking around your home. This jumpstarts your circulation, wakes up your muscles, and signals your body that it's time to be active. Pair this with a protein-rich breakfast, like eggs or Greek yogurt with nuts, and you'll notice sustained energy through the morning. Another secret to feeling great is keeping your metabolism active. You can do this through a combination of movement and small, frequent meals. Include lean protein, colorful vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid long periods without eating, as this can slow metabolism and leave you feeling sluggish. Simple habits like taking short walks after meals also aid digestion and keep your metabolism humming. Sleep is another key factor. Restorative sleep helps your joints recover, your muscles repair, and your brain stay sharp. Create a bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to rest. Dim the lights. Avoid screens and perhaps enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea. Gentle stretching before bed can also ease stiffness and prepare your body for a restful night. Before we wrap up, let's tie everything together. Consistency is what makes the biggest difference. Even 10 minutes a day of gentle movement, stretching, or balance exercises can transform your mobility over time. Pair that with a nutrient-rich diet, adequate hydration, and mindful sleep, and you'll notice improvements in flexibility, energy, and overall well-being. And remember, it's never too late to start. Your body is capable of remarkable recovery and growth at any age. Thank you for spending this time with us today. Try incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine and share your progress in the comments. We love hearing from our Prime Fit Flow community. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guidance for staying healthy, strong, and active after 50. Remember, small steps lead to big changes, and every effort counts. Stay consistent, stay patient, and enjoy the journey to better health. See you in the next video.